Did you know? Wait, guess how many times a normal person says hello in one day?
Like 5, 10? I don't know.
It's like 20 times. But most English learners, they do it wrong every single time.
Wait, what? Wrong? How do you say hello wrong? It is literally just hello.
Because they sound like, robots. Welcome back to English Pod Center. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. Wait, I sound like a robot?
Yes. Listen, today we are talking about greetings and goodbyes, saying hello and goodbye.
Okay, that is easy. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Stop. That is the robot.
Wait, I don't get it. Books teach us that. How are you?
Yeah, the books are okay, but real people, we do not speak like that on the street.
Oh, so what do real people say?
Okay, think of a fast car. Real speaking is fast. We don't say, how are you? We say, how's it going?
How is it going? Like walking? Where am I going?
No, not walking. How's it going just means, how are you?
Oh, wow. Okay, so I say, how's it going to my boss?
Well, maybe, but it is very casual, like for friends.
Wait, so there are rules? Friends get one hello and the boss gets a different hello?
Exactly, yes. Think of it like clothes. You wear pajamas with friends. You wear a suit for the boss.
Oh, I love that. The pajamas hello.
Yes. How's it going is a pajamas hello. Or what's up?
What is up? This guy?
No. What's up means what are you doing or how are you?
I know. It's so messy. But if you learn this, you sound 1000% more natural. Okay, Luna, teach me. I want the pajamas hello and the suit hello.
Let's start with the problem. You meet an American friend. They say, hey, Lucas, what's up? What do you say?
I say, I'm fine, thank you.
No. If someone says what's up, you cannot say I'm fine.
Why not? I am fine.
Because what's up asks for news, not feelings. It's like asking, what is new?
Oh, now I get it. So I say, nothing much?
Yes, perfect. Nothing much or just not much.
Not much. Wow, that is so short.
Real English is very short, lazy almost.
So for the boss, the suit hello, do I say what's up to the boss?
No pajamas for the boss.
Right. Bad idea.
For the boss, you say, good morning or how are you today?
Wait, so the robot hello is okay for the boss?
Yes, exactly. Formal English is like the robot. It is very polite.
Okay, so friends, what's up? Or how's it going?
Mm-hmm.
Boss, good morning. How are you?
You got it. See? Not so hard.
Wait, what about goodbyes? Saying goodbye is so awkward. I just wave and run away.
You run away? That is so funny.
Literally, yes. I don't know what to say. Goodbye feels too sad, like a movie.
Yeah, goodbye is very strong. We rarely say just goodbye.
Really? So what do you say?
We say see you later or just bye.
See you later. Even if I will not see them later?
Yes, that is the secret. Later means tomorrow or next year or never.
What? Never? That is a lie.
It's a polite lie. It just means I hope to see you again.
My brain is melting. So I can say see you later to a person on the bus and then never see them again?
Exactly. Or you can say have a good one.
Have a good one? One what? One apple?
A good day. Have a good one means have a good day. It's super popular.
Have a good one. Wow. Okay, we need to practice this like right now.
Okay, let's do it. You are walking into a cafe. I am your friend.
Okay, wait, am I buying coffee?
Sure, yes, you want coffee. But first, you see me. Go.
Hello, Luna. How are you today?
No, too robot. Try again, faster.
Oh, right. Hey, Luna, what is up?
Better. What's up? And I say, not much. You?
Not much. I want coffee.
Good. See? Easy. Now, say goodbye. You have your coffee.
Goodbye, Luna. I will see you later.
Yes, perfect.
even if I do not see you later.
Yes, the polite lie. You got it, Lucas.
Wow, it feels like a secret code.
It is. English has many secret codes.
So, wait, what about the night?
Oh, good question. At night, we say good evening.
Good evening. Like when? 6 o'clock?
Yeah, around dinner time, 6 or 7.
And good night? Is that hello or goodbye?
Good night is only goodbye, never hello.
Wait, really?
Really, if you say good night when you meet someone,
They will think I am going to sleep.
exactly. They will say, okay, sleep well.
Oh no, I did that. I did that yesterday.
You didn't. Who did you say it to?
My neighbor at 8 o'clock, I said good night.
And what did he say?
He looked confused. He said, sweet dreams.
Oh, Lucas, that is so funny.
I mean, I was not tired. I just wanted to say hello.
Now you know. Good evening to say hello. Good night to say goodbye.
Good evening, hello. Good night, sleep. Okay, got it.
And remember the casual ones.
Right. Hey, hi, what's up?
Yep. And for goodbye,
See ya, bye, have a good one.
have a good one. You sound like an American already.
Have a good one. Yes, one coffee, one day, one apple.
Just have a good one. Don't add apple.
Okay, no apple, just one.
So, listener, here is a challenge for you.
Ooh, a test.
Yes, next time you buy something,
Like a coffee?
like a coffee, say, have a good one to the worker.
Try it, see if they smile.
They will. It is so friendly.
And do not say goodnight when you walk in.
Please do not. Only when you leave.
This is so helpful, Luna. My head is not melting anymore.
I am glad. English greetings are messy.
Very messy, like me.
Well, we are out of time.
Oh, time to use the words.
Yes. Thank you for listening to English Pod Center.
Subscribe, follow us. We love you.
See you later.
Have a good one.